Good morning, students. Welcome back to our virtual class. Your library teacher has come with an interesting Jewish story with the title Dividing a Goose. It is well known as the mathematical tale. Let's enjoy hearing it. Dividing a Goose. There was once a poor peasant who found himself at the table with his wife and children, but with nothing for them to eat. "What shall we do?" he cried in despair. "We are out of food and in the thick of winter. You will think of a way to find us something to eat," his wife replied with confidence. "We have nothing," said the peasant, "except that goose I see outside the window. It is not enough to feed all of us." "Well, something is better than nothing," said his wife. "Not enough," the peasant muttered. "One goose is not enough for us all." His wife stood straight and tall and looked him in the eye and said, "I am sure you'll make it enough." So the peasant stepped out into the snow and killed the goose. In the distance, he saw a carriage roll by, the carriage of the wealthy barin of the village. He had an idea. "I will go to the barin," he said, "and I will make this goose enough for all of us to eat well." The peasant went to the barin's home and said, "I have brought you this goose as a gift. It is all that I and my family have." "Thank you," said the barin. "We never disdain a gift. Now you must join us at our table for supper. But tell me, how do you think you can divide one goose among us?" At the table with the barin sat his wife, 2 sons and 2 daughters. "I will divide this goose most fairly," the peasant said, picking up the carving knife. "You are the head of the house," he said to the barin, "so the goose's head belongs to you and your wife." The barin smiled, pleased. "This is wise," he said. The peasant cut off the 2 legs and handed one to each one of the sons. "Soon you will leave home and walk new paths of your own," he said. The boys sat up straighter, feeling important. The peasant cut off the bird's wings and handed them to the 2 daughters. "You will soar into the sky one day," he said to them. "Here are wings for you to fly with." The daughters were charmed. "And I'll take what's left of the goose, if you don't mind," the peasant said finally to the barin. "Not at all," said the barin. "But as you have done such a fine job of dividing the goose, shall I not give you a goose to take home to your family?" The peasant, however, had other ideas. "That would be too kind," he said. "Instead, let me help divide the 5 other geese that I see at your table among us all again, if I may." "If that is your wish, why not?" said the barin. "I would gladly see you make another fair division, though you are welcome to take home a whole bird." The peasant took one of the 5 geese and presented it to the barin and his wife. "Now you are 3, he said. He took a second goose and gave it to the barin's 2 sons. "Now you are also 3, he said. The third goose he placed before the daughters. "Now we too are 3, they said happily. "And these geese and I are 3, said the peasant, drawing the 2 remaining geese towards himself. So the peasant left for home with 2 more birds under his arm than the one he had started with, plus a reward of gold from the Barine for his remarkable ability to divide geese and resolve issues gracefully. From this story, we learn that an easy way to think of division is that it is a mathematical word for sharing. I'm sure you all enjoyed the story very much. Thank you and have a wonderful day, all of you. Goodbye.